perform a reflash process on a Toyota vehicle, you will need the following items: the website subscription to the Toyota J2534 Reflash site, where you will be instructed on how to get your CD-ROM, an active internet connection, battery, booster pack, or battery charger, your Matco VCI and current software, and a personal computer. The purpose of doing this reflash is to obtain current vehicle software and overcome specific drivability or diagnostic trouble code issues. By being able to perform these functions in your shop, you will be able to be more efficient by providing your customers with a proper repair without delay. You can also realize additional profits by doing the reflash in-house and save time by not sending it to the dealer. Now that you understand the purpose and the profitability of reflash, let's go ahead and do one on Toyota. First, you go to the Toyota website and you're going to order the Toyota CD-ROM. We're going to get started by putting the CD-ROM into the CD-ROM reader, closing the door so it'll get ready, and we'll set up the car. First, you must install the battery booster pack to maintain battery voltage throughout the reflash. Then you're going to install the Vehicle Communications Interface, or VCI, on the data communications link, and then turn the ignition key on. So I'll go do that for you. And now we're ready to begin our reflash. When you go to the Toyota website, you will order the CD-ROM to do the Toyota reflash. Once you install the CD-ROM, you'll then place that CD-ROM in the driver, and at that time it will load up all the information required. Once you've done that, you're ready to begin. At that point, you will then click on the Toyota reflash icon, and then you're going to go ahead and click on the Toyota website index. You must first always take your scan tool, go to Global 2, Mode 9, to get the engine calibration. Once you have the engine calibration, we're going to go ahead and match that up with any calibration that may be required to reflash this vehicle. So, to begin, we're going to go ahead and install the type of vehicle that we're doing. We'll go to the Toyota Models pull-down menu, and then we're going to select Camry. Once you have the vehicle selected, you'll tap on the Go button. And at that time, we're now at the calibration page. You'll take the calibration numbers that you received from Mode 9 on Global 2 with your scan tool, and you're going to go find that number on the list. The number we are looking for is 33339000. And you'll notice that I've already got that highlighted. You'll look over to the Step 2 side of the column. When you look at the Step 2 side of the column, if there is a calibration in red, you can do the reflash. I'm going to highlight the calibration in red. I'm going to double click on it. And now we're ready to begin. Up comes the calibration wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the next button. And then we're going to go ahead and use the J2534 generic interface. We'll click on that. Click on the next button. And we're going to go to the pull down menu and select the SPX VCI. That's the one at the very bottom. Once I've clicked on that, I'll click on the next button. We are now reflashing. We hit the next button. We're going to verify that we have the current calibration number, and you'll notice that we get 333900. And now we're going to see the new calibration number that's available. That's what we're going to install. We'll click on the next button. And it tells us to turn the key to off. We have turned the ignition key off. Remember, throughout the reflash, DTCs may set, so you may have to clear the DTCs at the end of the reflash. We're going to click on the next button. It's going ahead and preparing the system, about a 10-second countdown. And now we'll turn the ignition key back on. We'll click on the next button once the key is on. You notice it is showing us the calibration is being processed. You'll notice the line going across, speaking from the computer to the car. And there's a calibration bar at the bottom. You'll notice the calibration bar is filling. Our timer is counting down. You'll look at the bar and you'll see it'll start moving across. Estimated time of the reflash will vary from model to model. It'll be somewhere between 5 and 30 minutes. Throughout the reflash, you'll see the headlights turn on and off, and you'll hear relays click on and off. Don't be alarmed, that's just part of the reflash. Now that we are at the point of close of our reflash, we'll turn the key to off. Click on Next. Wait 10 seconds. Turn the key back to on. Click on Next. And now let's verify that we have the correct calibration in the unit, and now we'll click Finish. Now your reflash is complete. Remember, throughout the reflash, DTCs may have set. Please go back and clear those DTCs.